Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show how to find your watch history on TikTok. It's a very easy and simple process and it works both on Android and on iPhone. So let's begin. Just open your TikTok app or your TikTok account and then tap on your profile, and then on the upper side, on the upper right side, tap on the three lines and then tap on settings and privacy, and then just scroll down, and in the content and activity section, in the fourth one which says watch history, tap on it, and this is my watch history, and just follow this step and then you will watch your watch history. So this is the process how to find your watch history on TikTok.